Whether you prefer polyester or polypropylene mesh, our hernia care portfolio offers the material choice you require for your patients. ProGrip self-gripping polypropylene mesh for open inguinal hernia repair is now available as part of our comprehensive hernia care portfolio. Featuring a proprietary microgrip technology, ProGrip self-gripping meshes have been a top choice for surgeons around the world. Resorbable polylactic acid microgrips facilitate tension-free adhesion to the surrounding tissue, eliminating the need for traditional fixation. These microgrips support tissue integration for at least 8 weeks as they are progressively resorbed. Over time, as they resorb, the mesh weight is reduced. The material is comfortable to handle, can be trimmed according to patient anatomy, and by eliminating the need for traditional fixation, placement is simplified, resulting in reduced procedure times. In fact, operations without suture fixation are shown to be an average of 8 minutes shorter, with positioning and placement of mesh completed in just 1 minute. And the benefits for your patients are clear. Pain experienced as a result of traditional fixation can be avoided by reducing trauma to the tissue, as well as the risk of nerve entrapment and injury. This has been shown to result in lower dosing of post-operative narcotics. And recurrence rates for patients receiving ProGrip self-gripping mesh are extremely low, similar to or lower than suture fixation. With 47 clinical studies published in journals you trust and demonstrated success in 27 countries, ProGrip self-gripping mesh has been proven safe and effective, earning the trust of surgeons like you worldwide. And now, with the availability of polypropylene in addition to polyester, you can select the material of your choice to meet the needs of your patients.